Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we are going to learn how to sign up for credit acceptance. We will also put links in the description below for extended warranty and cheap car insurance programs. To start, open the website creditacceptance.com. On their website, you will see an option for Account Sign In. Click on Account Sign In. On this page, you will see a blue text that says Sign Up Now. Click on Sign Up Now. First, select your role to the account. If you purchased a vehicle and signed a contract, click on Customer. However, if you didn't sign a contract but authorized by a customer, click on Authorized Third Party. Now, you need to verify your account using your Social Security number or account number. If you're going to get verified using your SSN, enter it on the field provided. Also, enter your date of birth. But if you wish to get verified using an account number, you can find it on the copy of service contract you signed while purchasing the vehicle. Once found, enter it on the field provided, as well as the last 4 digits of your SSN. After entering, click on Enroll. Once your identity has been verified, you can now create an online account profile. So your account number, name, and phone number will be automatically filled. Now, enter the personal email address you wish to use. Also, select the best time to contact you on the phone number you provided. Then click on Next. Now, read the terms of use. Make sure to scroll and read till the end to enable the I agree button. After reading, click on I agree. Next, read the phone, text, and email terms and conditions. After reading, click on the Accept and Create Account button. On the email address you provided, a verification code will be sent. Once you receive the code, enter it on the field provided. Then click on the Verify Code button. Once verified, you can now create your password. Enter it on the field provided. Then click on Continue. Lastly, read the important disclosures. Make sure to scroll to the end. Then click on OK. And now your account has been created. That's how you sign up for credit acceptance. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.